What's good, people? Once again, as always, it's your boy, the Black Hippie. Today is Tuesday. Here to hit you with some more motivation and just some things out in your mind. I just want to say this. Unity. Say this again. Unity. Uniting as family. Uniting as whether it's business, whether it's raising a family, whether it's just coming together, having the same about gender. This is not about race. To be great, to have your own legacies, to have the things that you should have, instead of you working every day, of growing and having your own power, taking back all the things that were taken away from you. You don't like working for. Why not unify with the people that you know already, who have somewhat have established themselves or power? And I think we are lacking that unity amongst ourselves. This is not your own dynamic. And I think we're missing that whole point. It's like people are so comfortable with the know-how to establish themselves and unite and create something that now puts you in the position to be your own conglomerate, your own business, your own. We are missing the point. Yes, it is cool. It is great to have your own. It is cool. It is great to know that a check will be there for you at the end of the week. But your position is not. Again, your position is not guaranteed. Leave you what, with a few dollars? A little bit of coverage for a little bit of time? Why not knowingly, if you have something going all the time? You know what I mean? Because if anything goes wrong, goes south, and a company decides to change their mind, where does that leave you? A company that you have created. But as always, this one was kind of long, but I want you to stay focused. I want you to continue to have drive, able to invest time, energy, your know-how, your knowledge, your I don't want to say your income. You don't want to spend your whole income, but when you're able to invest a little, why not do those things and do the same thing for yourself and create business for yourself, or create business so that other people can now join in anything or anyone, energy, high or low, left and right, center or different. You can do it. You will do it. You have been doing it. So stay focused. As always, you continue to have faith, because you are great. You are promised to many things in this world. But you have to continue to fight. You have to continue to jump over those hurdles. Do not allow. Now, let's get to some real G shit. Alright, you might need a parental advisory for this one, because I'm about to say some shit that people may not agree with, may not like. They may disagree or whatever. I don't really care. I'm going to speak my goddamn mind, because what the fuck are we doing? Yeah, I mean, I hear so many people talk about, the Mexicans, the Puerto Ricans, the Asians are coming in and they're taking over our areas and this, that. Motherfucker, you know why they're coming in and taking over our areas? Because we don't invest in our fucking self. Like, what the fuck are we doing? Like, I see so many, and people still go to the higher, to the other person. and buy it from them at the highest price, knowing damn well they can't afford it. But the person you know that has created something by hand, young black entrepreneurs doing amazing things, making accolades, making leaps and bounds, and they don't get the support from their immediate family. I'm not saying any of this to stir up negativity or anything like that. I don't apologize for anything that I say, but my goal and my understanding is just to get you to think. That's all it is. Just really think and ask yourself why these things take place, and why do we continue to allow these things to take place. Yeah. What the fuck is wrong with you?
JT Wentworth, how can I help you? Hurry.
Peace to the universe.
December 7th. So call the number on your screen now to see if you're eligible.